Spaghetti with bacon and onion. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. In a medium frying pan, heat the oil or Crisco. Add the bacon and onion, and cook over low to medium heat until the onion is golden and the bacon has rendered its fat and is beginning to brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Step 2. Add the wine to the bacon and onion, increase the heat and cook rapidly until the liquid boils off. Add the tomatoes, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cover and cook over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Cook the pasta in plenty of boiling salted water until it's tender to the tooth. Drain, toss with sauce and pass around the grated Parmesan cheese separately. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.